Hello, welcome to ANA community. In this particular video, we are going to discuss the Tamo Dosha Pradhana Ahara. What are the causes they are responsible for the increase of Tamo Dosha in the body? As far as the Manasika Dosha are concerned, Tamas is considered to be one of the Manasika Dosha, the other being Rajo Dosha. In this particular video, we are going to discuss the Karana which are responsible for the increase of Tamo Dosha in the body. The reference is Bhagavad Gita, 17th chapter. That says, Yatayamam gatarasaha putim parishitam chayat ucchishtamapi cha amedhyam bhojanam tamasapriyam yatayamam gatarasam puti parishitam chayat uccishtam api cha amedhyam bhojanam tamasapriyam. The one, if you look into the meaning, Yatayamam. So that means if the food substances which are kept for longer amount of time, so one yama refers to 3 hours. If that is being mentioned, then such kind of the ahara is responsible for the increase of tamodosha in the body. Gatarasam, if proper taste to the food is not present or no adequate rasa is being perceived, then it is responsible for the increase of tamodosha in the body. Puti, ahara, the substances which are prepared by fermentation, such as alcoholic beverages, etc. Parishitam, that is, the substances which are prepared by water and salt and which are being kept overnight and taken on the next day. Uchishta bhojana, eating the food substances in the plate which are used by others. Uchishta bhojana. Amedhya bhojana, the food substance which is not good for the medha or intellect. Then that is considered to be responsible for the increase of tamo dosha in the body. When you think about the Mahabhuta dominance, tamo dosha foods are having the dominance of Prithvi Mahabhuta or Ap Mahabhuta, or otherwise Prithvi and Ap Mahabhuta dominance may also be observed in cases of Tamoguna Pradhana Ahara. This is one considered to be the example for Yatayama Ahara. So that means if you are keeping the food in the refrigerator for longer amount of time, if you are, that is considered to be refrigerated food, that will be responsible for the increase of tamodosha in the body. Gatarasaha, if no proper taste is being observed, that means no proper taste and not even the madhura, amla, lavana, katutikta, kashaya. Not all these 6 rasas are being mentioned in Ayurveda. If the person is not in a position to perceive the taste by consuming the food, that is what do you say, that gata rasaha, that will be considered to be responsible for the increase of tamodosha in the body. Puti ahara, that is fermented food substances, maybe alcoholic beverages, etc. Parishita ahara, the substances which are having the salt and water and kept overnight and later the food is being prepared. For example, the dosa, etc. So, or the what do you say, that the uttappa, etc. The idli, etc. If that is being kept overnight and if you are adding the salt and water, the batter is being prepared, and if you are preparing the food out of that, that will be considered to be tamodosha yukta ahara. Uchishta ahara, taking the food left over by somebody or eating the food together is from the single plate itself may be the reason for the increase of tamodosha in the body. Amedhya ahara, the food substances which are considered to be responsible for the increase of the rajodosha, that is either katu rasakta ahara, katu amla or lavana rasikta ahara, etc. They are not good for the intellect. Only the madhura rasa pradhana ahara may be responsible for the good medhya effect. So that is what we say. The amedhya ahara consumption may also lead to the increase of tamodosha in the body. The take-home messages from today's session are Tamoguna Pradhana Ahara are having the dominance of Prithvi or Up Mahabhuta. This may lead to the increase of Guru Guna in the body. And the people who are having the sedentary lifestyle or less physical exercise likely to have the increase of Tamo Dosha in the body. Kapha Dosha Prakopa Karanas again will have an impact on the increase of Tamo Dosha in the body. That is, Guru Madhura Rasatnistibda Dukthekshvaksha Dravadadi Dinanidra Upa Sarpish Prapuraihi Tuhina Patana Kale Shlesh Manasam Prakopa Prabhavati Devasadau Bhukta Matre Vasante. That's all for today. Dear ANA community, what are the major key takeaways from today's discussion? Mention in the comment box below. And what is the one video that you would like to hear in the channel in the coming days? Mention in the comment box below and spread this particular video to maximum number of true Ayurveda learners or true Nidana learners so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. That's all for today. Something more in the next video. Thank you.